Hello guys, I'm back. Today I am here to share with you a question that I received on my Facebook page. And the question is, Hi Jefferson, I am your fan and try to find conditions to separate nitrogen dioxide from nitrogen. I tried to find by myself, but I can't find it. Please advise me. Right now I try to learn absorbance for nitrogen dioxide to nitrogen. Thank you for your kindness. So, my name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates, and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. Follow my profile and like this video to have hundreds of contents related to chemical process engineering and plant design. So, to answer this question, first we need to understand a little bit how is the role of a chemical process engineer in plant design. When we are in plant design, doing plant design as a chemical process engineer, to select the best process for any kind of industrial facility, we need to know what are the product requirements and what are the raw material or the feed conditions. Based on the product requirements and feed conditions, we must propose the best benefits process to separate, to produce, to purify, and etc. the chemistry, the feed to the product. So as we are talking about separation of two products, one product from another, the first point is to know what are the main kinds of process that we have for separation. We have the absorption that was mentioned in the question, and in absorption we use a solvent to remove one component from another. We have the adsorption, where a media is used to adsorb in the surface of a media one component from another. We have distillation that uses the different boiling point of components to separate the components in a process. We have cryogenics or condensation that is opposite for distillation. We have different condensation point or dew point for each component in a mix of in a stream, and based on different temperature we reduce the temperature and we can condensate selectivity, condensate the different components. And we have permeation, that is, a few words, is the use of membranes to remove a component from another. There are others ways to do separation, but in general this is the main ones that I am involved with. So when you have two different components, the first thing that you must evaluate is the properties of each component. So in this case, nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen. Knowing that I have this set of separation process to deal with, I can verify which one of these best fits for my process. I am not familiar with removal of nitrogen dioxide from nitrogen, but in a quick search, looking only for the properties of the components, I verified that nitrogen dioxide becomes liquid or condensate in a temperature around 21 Celsius degree. And with my experience in the air separation industry, I know that at the atmospheric condition, the nitrogen condensates or become liquid at around minus 196. So in this way, I can look for other ways to separate nitrogen from nitrogen dioxide, but I know that at least condensation is an option for this problem, let's say that way. And if it is feasible or not will depend on the product, the requirements, and the feed conditions. That was not the point here, or was not shared in the question. So the main point here, as the chemical process engineer working with plant design, you must, to start doing anything in plant design, you must first verify what are the product conditions in your process, and what are the product requirements in your process, and what are the feed conditions, or what is the feed condition in your process. Based on that, and according to the components involved in the process, you can verify what are the ways that you have to do the separation. And based on that, if you have more than one available to your process, you need to verify what fits better to your process. Sometimes you only have one way, only one option to do the separation. In other cases, you have more than one way to do the separation, and you need to help the cost engineer, the cost estimation engineer, to verify what is the capex and the opex for each one of the options, and with that select the one that will return more profits for your company. And of course that you must evaluate also the safety of the process and the environment conditions for the process. If you want to know more about separation, absorption separation, for instance, of CO2 from methane, you can take a look in this video that will appear to you right now. Share this video with other students, graduates, and engineers to help them know more about chemical process engineering and plant design. This is it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.